Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create new folder in laptop. Chapter 1. How to create new folder in laptop from the context menu. You are going to access the location where the folder will be created. Right-click, click New, and select Folder. Assign the desired name. Chapter 2. How to create new folder in laptop from keyboard. To use this option, on your keyboard use the keys Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Now just enter the desired name for the folder. Chapter 3. How to create new folder in laptop from File Explorer. You will start by accessing the File Explorer. There, in the corner, click New and select Folder. You can assign the desired name. Chapter 4. How to create new folder in laptop from terminal. To start, go to the location where the folder will be created. Right-click somewhere and click Open in Terminal. Now in the terminal, enter the command MD and the name of the folder to create. When you press Enter, you will see the created folder. Chapter 5. How to create new folder in laptop from command prompt. You are going to open the command prompt console from the search box. In the terminal, enter the command Mkdir and the path with the folder name. Press Enter and verify that the folder was created. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.